Free Fire India is set.
Hello? হ্যালো ভিডিও হচ্ছে নেক্সট
সুন্দর একটা সকাল
পার্ট 2 ABS ভার্সেস নীল
What a morning, what a match.
अब देखना होगा कौन जीतेगा ABS ऑलरेडी एक राउंड हार चुका है और पहले ही राउंड में एक डाउन
What a lovely knockdown.
पहले ही एक डाउन हो चुका है
Revive.
रिवाइवल
Like so easy for him. On the spot. Yes, full about it. Wow, what a knockdown.
oh again a knockdown it's a time for rush again ABS two players have been already knocked down. Let's see what will happen. In front him MG Onyx, there is a player with double sniper.
Now gameplay and gameplay by Team Neil.
One remaining.
Oh wow, what a nice game.
Double sniper. Activated chrono seal. 2v1 easy game to be taken out by ABS.
Easy game from ABS. Easy game.
And by this first round won by ABS. Donated 50 coin.
We should donate it charity. No, this is also a charity. 50 rupees is very high
Donated.
amount.
It's Rito 1 kill.
Very
SJ
nice,
1 kill. MG Onyx with the highest kill 2 kills. Again with double sniper. Going GM BNX 94.
Elite is from going rushing all doing. Very nice gameplay. We have been witnessing this gameplay.
Again rush has been happened. MG Onyx down. Again has been revived.
Nice leader.
Mr. Sagnik, what you seems ABS will win or the Neil team will win? Your voice has been cracking. And Neil has been attacked. Neil has attacked to the and has won the.
Lovely. What a comeback by Team Niladri.
PE delete, aka Neil, the captain of our.
See, I have told you that it is a very tough match.
But your predictions?
I think Team Niladri will win this.
If Team Niladri will win, it will be qualified to the finals to our finalist players, whose captain is Sri Kishan Ojha. Let's see. All has been rushed blindly. Sniper, the GM. Sagni, can you see the GM BNX sniper skills? Oh my! One down. Crow has been eliminated. Since in ABS, Crow has been a very bad impact in the first match also. MG Onyx in front of TEF Flashy. And again S-Joy is in front of TM Kasi and S-Joy has knocked.
Oh my god, only one remaining.
BNX 94 with his double AWM skills.
Team Neil. Only one remaining. They have
With
to be very
one
serious
des-
about their gameplay.
double sniper, one desert eagle, and with
Oh,
3 pro players has been rushed. And
down
again, I
to
think ABS is in mood. ABS is in the mood to rock.
yes, but Team Energy is also come back. No issues.
But when they are losing, then they are coming back. Our Crow of ABS player has been not so impact in the team. He seems to be not playing.
For them, it is very easy to win, but Team Energy also not.
They are also not letting them come back.
They
That
are also
foot.
looking forward. And I think
I am liking the style of GM BNX. Has been down. Has been GM BNX down.
nice.
GM BNX down, and oh no, ABS players has been down also too. GM BNX Team Neil is not letting Neil team to kill only, and down.
Easy for him.
Now it's a 2v2 situation.
2v2 situation, but I think Team Energy can come back in this situation because they have more opportunity.
MG Onic. MG Onic. MG Onic. MG Onic. MG Onic. Oh no.
Lovely delete. Lovely delete. Lovely.
And delete has been taken out. The delete. Control plus A and del.
Delete has deleted Team ABS.
It's like been. It seems to be undefeatable match.
Yes, yes.
I think it will be a draw.
But what was in this team, they don't know. They have to play more seriously and more nicely to win this match. I think Team Niladri has come back with a great idea or great supporting team.
Let's see our GM BNX 94. He has been playing one down already. One down, two down, two down, three down.
Two down from delete. What a lovely master stroke.
Three down already. I seems to be Rito is offline.
What a gameplay by this. What a game.
Brilliant performance from Neil. Let's endorse some money. What the ABS players are doing? They have won the first match and gone to the rise above. I
See, what has made them like this?
I seem to be Crow is offline. Seems he is not moving himself.
No, Crew is coming back.
Let's see GM BNX again with his double AWM skills. Aiming to headshot of S-Joy.
He is playing like very easy for him. He knocked by delete. He knocked.
Three knock. Again a great performance by Neil.
Delete.
And again
Public done by delete. Wow.
the first match, the first zone even didn't shrink and they have killed the whole team.
What a comeback from delete. I think
Delete has been
ABS
killed.
has
Total
been
kill
looking
with
back
12
on-
alone.
They have won 2 rounds.
Now ABS has a very tough situation to come to the finals, even to qualify. They have to
I
be.
think for IP it would be a tough contender.
Yes, seems to be. But IP last time has defeated ABS by 7-1.
Yes, ABS. I think ABS is a little bit overconfident with their
gameplays, and delete has been come with the woodkeeper, and another finding for another headshot. Two down of ABS and as well as Neil, and two down to kill confirm, and delete has been also been down. Only
Do not, but I think his team members should support him in this situation.
GMBNX with his
Only GMM is
extraordinary
alive.
sniper skills.
What he could do.
Another sniper, another sniping.
Wow.
Given a damage of 157. I think this round will be taken by ABS.
Lovely.
Rito is going to GMBNX. Crow has been rushed. Crow has been rushed, and it has been taken.
Yes. Only 4v double WM. Even big players can't do it. So
it seems to be like that. They will do a tie between them. Let's see. Let's see.
Let's give some donation to
Crow. Crow doesn't. I have no more gold. PE delete has a network connection. PE delete has a network connection.
Crow is not playing with all his potential.
It seems to be Crow is essential to be stand alone and play because he is not with his team members. He's doing rush on and GM BNX with his headshot. GM BNX. GMBNX has been rushed. Our co-partner Mr. Sagnik has been leaved due to some certain network error. GMBNX again ABS has been down. ABS 2 player has been down. Having the strategy to revive, and I already knocked down. Crow has been remaining. Crow been killed. Hello. Can you? I am audible.
Now we can see.
Seems to be this round will be also has been taken.
We hope that ABS could come back.
ABS is in great danger.
Yes.
PE delete has been having a
shadow fight from.
PE delete has been suffering from a network error.
Delete is standing. Oh, delete is moving.
Let's see. Let's watch MG Onyx with his double barrel. Double barrel he has been taken. I think.
Rito is.
One more down.
What a headshot by GM.
But he has been not reviving. He's been not reviving.
Brilliant. GM has some different skills.
ABS has not the coordinates between their teams. Seems to be. One is in other side. One is in the short range. They are firing with Woodkeeper.
Wow. 6-3.
Finally, we have the winners.
I have told you.
It seems to be.
Team will win this match because they have the potential to win this match.
Let's see the final who will win.
A little bit of overconfident by winning 3 rounds. They are thinking that they have won it, but not.
The first round they have been taken out, but
this game is like that. If you will be overconfident, then there is no way that you can win this match.
Yes.
Overconfidence is not the key to win the match.
Yes, it has been.
Flash is.
Let's see last round.
Headshot, but no.
Last round. Let's see what BMBNX do with his sniper skills.
We can see here the GM.
He's scoping, but in his left side already has been rushed. Onyx and S-Joy has been rushed with his teammates. S-Joy has been down. S-Joy has been already downed. P delete. Akib has been rushing back. Crow standing there. And again a player.
Eliminated two.
Again.
Now it's on
Team Flashy.
Play because GM has a cookie to
GMBNX. Again will down to Crow. Again down Crow. Last final player remaining.
Only one remaining.
One remaining
to win the match.
One player remaining. Only one player remaining.
Akib. GM Akib.
And has been.
What a gameplay from Team Niladri and what a match. Excellent.